welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Yan.
Ayan.
Ngayon ako mag-update lagi guys ng ano ng mga videos. Na busy kasi si ate. I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Mommy and Parker family.
Oh my Lord. I love you, Esti.
I love you, Hanky.
Ooh, it's very cold outside. 32 degrees. Oh
Too
my
much.
Lord, not too much. Not too much, still cold, Daddy. Oh no, I forget my watch, Daddy.
Oh, Lord, you go back. You can walk.
Ay, nako.
Oh, Lord.
Kumusta kayong lahat, guys? Nami-miss ko kayong lahat. Whew. North Carolina.
That's a nice swing.
Wow, it's a big farm right here. Let me see.
Look at the big water pipes. How they water them.
Where is that? Oh, really? Let's see. Oh, ito yung North Carolina, guys. Yan. Ay. More on trees. Tsaka kahit winter siya, guys, as in malamig, pero ito siya, yung mga farm, as in green grass talaga siya. Ayan. Parang golf course. Ang ganda ng pagka-green. Pupunta kasi kami ngayon sa ano, appointment ng asawa ko. Ayan. Ang lalaki ng mga farms nila dito. Char. Iniisip ng mga tao sa Pinas pag mga yung sabi nila pag yung mga farmer daw dito sa US ano daw mahihirap daw. Hindi nila alam na mga farmers yung mayaman dito. Sa lawak ba naman ng ano ng lupain at saka yung mga farm. Ayan. We're going to Clinton.
Dogs.
Oh my God, 3 dogs. Oh, beware of dogs. Oh my God. That's a good security guard.
Ruff, ruff.
Woohoo! Nag-ice sa labas.
Oh, they have a new chimney, but the house is old.
Maybe that's a storage. Look here. Green grass. Yung ibang grass na mamatay kasi sobrang lamig, pero yung iba talagang sobrang green. Oh no, it's a big truck. Steedman.